In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Jotform so your form submissions automatically show up in your Slack workspace. Let's start inside Slack. Open the channel where you want your form notifications to appear. This could be a general channel for your team or a dedicated support or sales channel. Having a specific channel for these updates can really help keep things organized, especially if you receive a lot of form responses. On the right-hand side of the Slack window, look for the Apps section. If it's collapsed, just click it to expand. This is where you can browse and manage the tools that connect directly into your workspace. Go ahead and click on Apps and then choose the option to add apps. This will take you into the Slack app directory where we'll look for the Jotform integration. In the app directory search bar, start typing a keyword related to form submissions and integrations. You're looking for the Jotform app that mentions sending form submissions or signed documents to teammates or channels. When you see the app that clearly describes sending form submissions into Slack, click on it to open its details page. On the app page, you'll find a button to add the app to Slack. Click on the Add to Slack button. At this point, you may be asked to confirm which workspace you're installing it to, and you might need the appropriate permissions, so make sure you're either an admin or you have approval from one. Once the app is added to Slack, you'll be redirected to Jotform's integration page for Slack. Here, you'll see an option to add this integration to a form. Click on Add to Form. This tells Jotform that you want this particular Slack connection to be linked with one of your existing forms or a new form you plan to build. You'll then be taken into the Jotform form builder with the Slack integration panel open. From here, you can choose which form you want to connect, select the Slack channel where submissions should be sent, and customize the message format. Take a moment to double-check that the correct channel is selected and that the fields you care about are included in the notification. When you're done, save your integration settings. From now on, every time someone submits that Jotform, the details will automatically be sent to the Slack channel you chose, keeping your team updated in real time without any manual work.